2015 Baxterly in Lakewood, Ohio. Gorgeous area. Beautiful day. Let's go inside. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with the dining room, kitchen, living room. You can see it has a nice big living room here. So you have a lot of room there. Refinished floors, paints, plugs, switches, lights, blinds, the whole works. Steam heat. Nice big dining room. So that's awesome. All wood floors. New flooring in the kitchen. Big kitchen. A lot of cabinet. Dishwasher. You see how nice. Big stove. Gas heat. Brand new flooring. Also brand new flooring. And an extended summer room. So you can see here, it's all done. It looks great. You can go out back to the backyard, 1-car garage. It's got a fenced-in backyard. Let's go upstairs and look at the bedrooms. Just a rare property that's available in Lakewood to lease. One thing about this particular house, it has great size rooms, so they're not little teeny rooms. This is actually the smallest of them all. And you can see how nice. Large hallway. Here's your master. It has 2 closets here. Nice big bedroom. And you have one other bedroom here. So that's here. There's your nice wide open plug, switches, lights, paint, blinds. Here's your bathroom, new flooring, so you can see all that. You got a shower tub there. Let's go downstairs in the basement where the other bathroom is and show you that. So as you can see here, you got the steps. Here's the area here. There's your new steam heat. There's a newer one. I think they just put that one in before we bought it. And here's your shower. This is your other bathroom. This is a full bath, so it has a shower back there. All that good stuff. So, and then you have the laundry rooms right here. You have that. So there's a lot of space in this house. It's a wide open floor plan. And again, it's available for lease. This is your virtual. Thanks. Have a great day.